Inspired by the use of human life enrichment application by non-humans, we designed some life enrichment application specifically for non-humans, and in such a way that we can also measure their cognitive abilities and their sensorial abilities. In this particular work, we designed an application which requests the subjects to choose between two separate values, 2, 3, or 4 separate values in various display mode. In this display mode, which is called heap, the subject is supposed to choose the figure with the most amount of dots. And after each question, he gives audio feedback about the correction of the answer. After 5 questions by default, the application gives feedback about the game and gives the opportunity to the subject to click play more, to play again the game in the same display mode. Or to press the exit button to exit the game and to choose a different display mode. So this one was one of the discrete display. Another discrete display is the mode dice, which represents a dice face. And as for the previous one, the subject is supposed to select the figure with the most dots. There are also 2 other display modes. One is the rectangular mode, which is simulating a recipient full of green liquid and requesting the subject to select the recipient with the most liquid. And the last display mode, also continuous, is a disk display mode, simulating some seeds of various size and requesting the subject to choose the seed of the larger size. One of the advantages of the digital application is that the extensive audio feedback allows the experimenter, frees the experimenter from seeing the screen. At no point the experimenter knows what the question is, and so he cannot give voluntarily or involuntarily any hint to the subject about what the correct answer is. So when the experiments are performed in this masked mode, we are sure that we are not victim of a clever hands effect where the subject is reading cues from the experimenter. Another advantage of the digital application is that all interactions are logged and can be downloaded later, so that to make some extensive statistical analysis. And with this setup, we were able to replicate the result from a 2008 study made in analogical settings on African graves, and with much more data points, because each experiment is much faster, and probably with much pleasure from the subject. That's all for today. I hope you found this video interesting and pedagogical. I refer you to the article for more details, and I wish you a good day.